Alright, so seasoning application time now. Alright? Oh. So we're gonna apply some blended season to it first. And we'll just do a few drops to the top. Apply our spice to it, that's the dry herbs and spices to it. Yeah, so now the dry rub is in it. Then rub it up. Try to get all parts of it saturated with the season. And this going to soak in the fridge for a good while. Minimum time should be 24 hours. Can be 12 hours, can be 6 hours, but the longer the better. I've had jerk chicken that I season from the Monday and then cook on the Friday, sometime on the Saturday. That one it tastes the season to the bone. Get a lot of time to soak up everything. So we'll do this combination now. We put it back into the igloo where everybody gets to sit together in a closed space, and all of that blended season and powder season get to penetrate like osmosis. You know, for all of the people them with the science and so forth, it pulls it in, sucking all of that flavor. Yeah. So the flavor can penetrate different layers of the meat as the time and hours pass by. So the longer it is, the more it goes in. Yeah. Any juices or liquid that is remained in, always pour it in the bucket, like all of this. Pour it in the bucket.